Hello and welcome to Learning English at Home. In this video, you will practice 7 real English dialogues for A1 level. Each dialogue is short, easy, and slow. Listen carefully, repeat out loud, and practice every day. Let's start learning English together.
Dialogue 1. Saying hello and goodbye.
Hello.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks. My name is Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom. My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Anna.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am. Today is my first day at the office.
Oh, welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Mexico.
Is this your office?
Yes, it is. I work here every day.
That's nice. What do you do?
I work in customer service. How about you?
I work in sales.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it. It is interesting.
That's good. The people here are very friendly.
Yes, I think so too.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 8 in the morning.
I start at 8 too.
Do you have lunch at the office?
Yes, I do. I have lunch at 12.
Me too.
Is this your first job?
No, it isn't. I worked in another company before.
Oh, I see.
Sorry, I have a meeting now.
That's okay. It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
See you later, Tom.
See you later, Anna.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Dialogue 2. Talking about daily routine.
Hello, Tom.
Hi, Anna. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6 in the morning.
That's early. I wake up at 6:30.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I do. I eat breakfast with my family.
I eat breakfast at home too.
What do you do in the morning?
I take a shower, get dressed, and go to work.
Me too. I go to work at 8 o'clock.
I go to work at 8 as well.
What do you do at work?
I work on the computer and talk to customers.
I work with emails and phone calls.
Do you have lunch at work?
Yes, I do. I have lunch at 12.
I have lunch at 12 too.
What do you do in the evening?
I go home, eat dinner, and watch TV.
I read books and listen to music.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk in the park.
That's good.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10.
I go to bed at 10:30.
It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Dialogue 3. Talking about family.
Hello, Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Anna. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I do. I have a big family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Who are they?
My father, my mother, my sister, my brother, and me.
That's nice.
What about your family, Tom?
I have a small family.
How many people are there?
There are 3 people. My father, my mother, and me.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do. I live with my parents.
I live with my family too.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher.
And your mother?
She is a nurse.
That's great. My father is an engineer.
What about your mother?
She works in an office.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
No, I don't. I'm an only child.
I see.
Do you like your family?
Yes, I do. I love my family very much.
Me too. My family is very kind.
Sorry, I need to go now.
No problem. It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
See you later.
See you later. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Dialogue 4. Talking about hobbies.
Hello, Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Anna. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like listening to music.
That's nice. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. It is fun and relaxing.
Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I do. I like reading books.
Oh, really? What books do you like?
I like simple stories and short books.
I like reading too.
What about you, Tom?
I like playing sports.
Which sport do you like?
I like playing football with my friends.
When do you play football?
I play football on the weekend.
That sounds fun.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I do. I watch TV in the evening.
What do you watch?
I watch movies and English programs.
That's good for learning English.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking at home.
What do you cook?
I cook simple food like eggs and rice.
Do you have time for hobbies every day?
Yes, I do. I relax after work.
Me too.
It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Dialogue 5. Talking about drinks.
Hello, Tom. Are you thirsty?
Hi, Anna. Yes, I am a little thirsty.
Me too. I want a drink.
What do you like to drink?
I like drinking water. It is healthy.
Yes, water is very good.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do. I drink coffee in the morning.
I drink coffee too, but not every day.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink warm water or tea.
I drink coffee with milk.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea. I like green tea.
I like black tea with no sugar.
What do you drink at lunchtime?
I drink water or juice.
I drink water too.
Do you like fruit juice?
Yes, I do. I like orange juice.
I like apple juice.
Do you drink soda?
No, I don't drink soda often.
Me too. Soda is not very healthy.
What do you drink in the evening?
In the evening, I drink water or tea.
I drink milk before bed.
Do you drink a lot of water every day?
Yes, I do. I drink water many times a day.
That's good.
Let's get a drink now.
Good idea.
See you later.
See you later. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Dialogue 6. Ordering drinks.
Hello.
Hello, welcome. How can I help you?
I would like a drink, please.
Sure. What would you like?
I would like a cup of tea.
Hot tea or iced tea?
Hot tea, please.
Okay. Would you like sugar or milk?
No sugar. Just tea, please.
And you, sir? I would like a coffee, please. Hot coffee or iced coffee? Hot coffee, please. Would you like milk or sugar? Yes, milk, please. No sugar. What size would you like? Medium, please. Okay.
How much is the tea?
The tea is $2.
And the coffee?
The coffee is $3. That's fine.
Can we have 2 glasses of water too?
Yes, of course. Anything else?
No, thank you.
That's all.
Please wait a moment.
Thank you.
Here is your tea and your coffee.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Enjoy your drinks.
The tea is very good.
Yes, the coffee is nice.
Can we have the bill, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Dialogue 7. At a cafe.
Hello. Welcome to the cafe.
Hello. Thank you.
Please sit here.
Thank you very much.
What would you like to drink?
I would like a coffee, please.
Hot coffee or iced coffee?
Hot coffee, please.
Would you like milk or sugar?
Yes, milk, please. No sugar.
And for your friend?
My friend Tom would like a tea, please.
Hot tea or iced tea?
Hot tea, please.
What kind of tea would he like?
He would like black tea.
Would he like sugar or lemon?
No sugar. Lemon is okay.
Would you like something to eat?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
I would like a small cake.
And for Tom?
Tom would like a sandwich.
Chicken or cheese?
Chicken, please.
Anything else?
2 glasses of water, please.
Okay, please wait a moment. Here is your coffee, tea, cake, and sandwich.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your time.
Thank you.
The tea is very nice. I'm glad you like it.
Can we have the bill, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Great job! You have finished 7 English dialogues. Practice again to speak more clearly and confidently. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.